welcome to Beth's Hair. I'm so glad that you could be here today. I am just finishing up my makeup. I have to work at a Bootacular trunk or treat event. So for my costume, I am doing kind of a Princess Fiona from Shrek dress, Renaissance-esque. And then also my hair is inspired by Daenerys from Game of Thrones. You can see it back here. So while I finish my makeup, I will skip over here to a video and show you how I put this pretty style together.
All right, we'll start by sectioning the hair to do a small braid on the top. Pull a few strands out for some curly tendrils around your face. I am just doing a regular 3-strand braid and kind of pulling it towards the back. Now, if you want to get fancy, you could certainly do a Dutch braid. I just want to show you an easy way to get this cute style. We won't secure it at the end, we'll just use a barrette temporarily. Now I'm going to add another braid below that. Again, just a regular braid. Pull out a few strands, divide into 3 sections, and start braiding. And again, just temporarily secure with a barrette. We will do the same exact thing on the other side. I'm using the twisted back pony wig in the color Rosewood from Paula to create this style. Now these wigs are on clearance at Paula, so you will want to snatch them up quickly. I'm pancaking out the braids just a little bit to loosen it up so it's not quite so tight. Now take the top 2 braids from either side and connect those in the back, in the middle, just below the crown. Use a little binder for that. So take the tail ends from that braid and just do a rope braid with those. Now connect the bottom 2 braids from either side with that, and we'll secure with a binder, and you want that close to the nape of your neck. I just use those little silicone binders. I do have them in my Amazon store. Now take all the tails and braid those together and secure with another binder. I'm covering the binders with these hair jewels that I found at Shein. They work very nicely for this. This is a heat-friendly wig, so I'm adding some curls with my Lang Duo styler that heats and cools the hair so it works perfectly for your heat-friendly fibers. And I just want to add some nice waves to really give it that Renaissance look.
All right, so my makeup is done, and now it's time to put it all together and become the Renaissance warrior princess. Take a look.
My dress and my cape is from Amazon, and the dress I purchased about 5 years ago for the Renaissance Festival, but I did just purchase the cape. I will try to put the links below if I can find them. And I purchased the crown and the earrings from Shein. And this is a beautiful crown with emeralds and also rhinestones, and it actually is quite heavy, a very nice metal. I did get tons of compliments wearing this. It's so pretty. I told my husband he needs to bow down to the queen, and he just laughed at me. My grandson Colton is helping me at the event, so he decided to stop in and say hi so we could take some pictures. He's such a cutie.
All right, so I hope that you all have a very happy Halloween, and I hope that you get lots and lots of candy. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.